Today I got my hands on Jack&Rose professional hair clipper kit. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and I'm gonna go over the features and I'm gonna show you how to use this kit for yourself. Stay tuned. Wow, this is really amazing. So we have the comb in the box, professional scissor in the kit as well. The neck duster, pretty soft and looks premium quality, very good. Hair clippers, just to hold the hair in place. Lubricating oil, barber cape. And with this band, they also make it really easy to use, like that. Wow, that was pretty fast, quick, and you're ready to go. The charging cable, just to attach to the clipper directly, and also included the charging station, which is really useful if you want to just put the charger in place and it's not gonna move around charging place, and you can grab it and use it whenever you need it. Color-coded combs, so you have different sizes with different colors, so you're not gonna forget what size would be what color. This is make it really easy. Clipper itself. This is actually a really high quality built clipper. I really like it. The metal heads, we have the leveler on the side, adjust the size right from the clipper itself. You don't need to change anything. Charging underneath. Wow, look at that. I mean, this is really amazing. I really like the material of this clipper. This is really nice built and high quality. It has a nice weight to it. Okay, let's go over some of the features and then we can take it for a spin. This clipper is equipped with 6400 RPM motor with quiet technology. It gives you 2 times quicker but quieter experience than normal hair clippers, providing smooth, quick, and precise clipping performance for all types of hair. It has the faster and durable carbon blades. Hair clipper uses long-lasting, self-sharpening stainless steel blades that are most popular with barbers, which can cut the roughest and irregular hair more accurately than ceramic blades. No more snagging and hair pulling. Easily cut through dry and wet hair. It is ideal for self-haircutting. The thumb tapper lever on the left side enables easy lens-adjusting haircut. Provides you a wider varieties of hairstyles and lenses. This hair clipper is ideal for fade cuts, including detailing and touch-ups around ear, necklines, and sideburn, making self-haircutting easier. It has the high-capacity battery and LED display. It is equipped with built-in rechargeable 2500 mAh battery, offers you up to 5 hours of running time with only 3 hours of charging. And the LED shows you the remaining percentage of the battery. It can also be a